Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And we will be sharing with you the work from office, work from home jobs. And before we start, let me tell you about a free live webinar that we are going to do on the upcoming Saturday, that is 11 a.m. IST onwards. So in this webinar, we are going to cover the live session on how agentic AI work, how the autonomous agents can make the work easy for an automation testers. So this will be live webinar, and you would get to know everything about what you should do in the job market to get the job, how people in the QA industry are getting 300% hike. So all of those things will be covered. So don't forget to book the slot. Don't forget to sign up today for this. It is a 1 hour of webinar, but definitely it would change your mindset. It will change your perception how to look for a job in the market, right? So that's the one of the things that I wanted to share with you. Okay, now let me tell you about the job opportunities. So there are multiple job opportunities that are there. So let me start from the top. So first job opportunity is for a QA-based engineer. So QA engineer, a fresher engineer, they are hiring for a fresher, and the location is Indore. Work mode is work from office, experience is freshers. Skills required is software testing, right? Python. So you can share your updated CV at this email address. Okay. So the name of the company is Gamma Edge Technologies Private Limited. Then Wipro is hiring for skilled SDIT automation test engineer with expertise in Selenium and Java. So experience required is 5 to 8 years. Location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune. Notice period is 45 to 60 days. Okay. So if you're interested, you can share your CV at amruta.pawar@wipro.com along with the following details. That is overall experience, relevant experience, skills, current CTC, expected CTC, and notice period, right? Then there is a requirement for a QA engineer, which is again a remote job. And they are looking for somebody who is having the QA knowledge. 2 to 3 years of knowledge is required, and you can send your updated resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for a senior QA engineer manual, and the company name is Fluxon. So at Fluxon, they are looking for somebody who knows web testing, mobile testing, API testing. See, these days, API testing is very important. You would see some dedicated job opportunities just on API testing, right? Some dedicated job opportunities just on API testing. So these kind of job opportunities are increasing these days, right? Then there's a requirement for a QA engineer, manual and automation. So Tata Nexark is hiring for a QA engineer with 3 to 8 years of experience in manual and automation testing. So they are looking for somebody who has got experience in Playwright, Selenium. So you can see slowly and gradually you will see in the job opportunities, the demand of Playwright is rising. The demand of Playwright is increasing. So it's the right time. It's the right opportunity to upskill yourself to Playwright, right? And learn all the things. It also has hands-on manual testing, test case design, regression, integration, REST API testing, then Agile, Scrum, Jira. Then you need to have good analytical problem solving and communication skills. Good to have Java, rest assured, then BDD, Cucumber, CI/CD, Jenkins. So what you have to do is you have to send your resume to this email address and experience with AI-assisted testing tools and mentoring QA team members. So these days, companies are looking towards you to have experience on AI-assisted testing. If you don't have exposure to AI assisted, or if you don't know how to use AI to expedite your work, then you are not in the race at all. So in order to assist this, in order to assist you on this, we are scheduling a live webinar, which is on the upcoming Saturday. So you can attend that webinar and get benefited. And it is free of cost, no charges at all. Okay. Now let me tell you about more opportunities. Okay. The requirement is at the JUnit Technologies. Okay. The open positions are for QA engineer 0 to 1 year, senior QA automation engineer 4 to 6 years, software engineer 0 to 1 years. So you can send your CV to this email address, career@jignet.tech, and the WhatsApp number is also provided. So you can apply over there as well. Then there's a requirement for senior QA engineer, manual testing. The company name is Next Gen Tech Labs. This is a remote opportunity, and the experience required is 4 to 8 years. So they are looking for somebody who has got strong expertise in functional regression, UI, and system testing. So you can send your resume to this email as well. Okay. Then there's a walk-in recruitment drive that is going to happen at Obvious AI Technology Private Limited. So the date for the walk-in drive of 30th and 31st of July. And the timings are 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. IST. Location is also provided. It is nearby L&T Circle, Vadodara. Shift timings would be evening and night shift. Work mode would be work from office, and the work location would be Vadodara. Position is for RCM domain, that is the payment things. And skill set required is you should have good QA skills. Then apart from that, they are also looking for the manual testing skills here. Okay. So these kind of things are required. Responsibilities are there such that you are able to maintain and organize digital records. You should be able to perform the quality checks. So all this is a part of this particular job opportunity. So you can send your resume to this email address, recruitment@obvsai.com. Right. So these are the job opportunities. And last but not the least, don't forget to register yourself for the webinar. Right. This is the free live webinar which will assist you to know what are the important things for the jobs these days, how you can get placed in 2026 using agentic AI, how you can do automation testing. So all of these things will be covered, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.